In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack password. Keeping your online account secure is incredibly important, and updating your passwords regularly is one of the simplest ways to enhance your security. Whether you're just looking to update your information for peace of mind or need to change your password because you've forgotten it, I've got you covered with this straightforward guide. Let's start by launching the Slack application on your desktop. Take a moment to locate your profile picture. It should be in the top right corner of the application window. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on your profile picture. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you'll want to navigate over to Profile, which will redirect you to your personal Slack profile page. Now, on this profile page, you'll find a set of three dots, usually located near your name or the General Options section. Click on these three dots to open another menu. Here, look out for Account Settings. It's your gateway to updating various account details, including your password. Once you're in the Account Settings section, you'll see several expandable fields. Focus your attention on the one labeled Password. Go ahead and click Expand next to this section. At this point, you'll be presented with an option to enter a new password. If you remember your current password and simply want to update it, you can directly type your new password into the provided fields. Remember to choose something strong, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, to improve your account security. However, if you can't recall your current password, there's no need to worry. Slack provides a convenient option right here to make this process hassle-free. You'll see a link titled Reset Your Password by Email. Click on this link and an email will be sent to the address associated with your Slack account. Make sure to check your inbox and even your spam or junk folders if you don't see the email right away. In the email, you'll find a link that allows you to reset your password without needing to know the current one. Simply click the link, follow the instructions provided, and create a new password. Again, aim for a strong combination to keep your account adequately protected. And there you have it, the steps to changing your Slack password and ensuring your digital presence is safe. Whether you're updating an old password or setting a new one because you forgot, this process is designed to be straightforward and secure. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our channel for more tips. Stay safe online, and see you next time.